Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Aggregate production function questions get easy fast when you track one relationship. If firms hire more workers, what happens to total output? Watch this closely. The aggregate production function is just a model showing how inputs create output, and labor is one key input. So if firms employ more workers, production capacity rises. In that function, output Y depends on inputs like labor. So when labor increases, Y increases too, assuming everything else stays the same and extra workers still add production. That means the direct result of hiring more workers is higher output, not guaranteed profits, wages, taxes, or demand. So option C is the match. Well done. Option C. Scan now. Do not rush into side effects. Trust the given relationship and check the steps before choosing.